This is one of those subdivisions with those HOAs. You know, they hate yards that look like yellowish and all this. They want everything green. Well, it ain't nothing we can do where we're at. That drought has been crazy. Look at it, everything, man. All out there. So this is the one I gotta do right here. Knock it.
Start smoking.
All right, guys, dried up everywhere. Show you how it's looking in Kentucky. We had the worst drought in the history of my city. Everything's brown. It's like nothing you can do about it either. Or maybe it is something you can do about it. You guys can let me know. Like over there, brown back there. See the leaves is falling. Like everything's dried up. Take a look at the backyard. See how it's looking over there? Man, I'm talking about, it's been horrible this year. This is a yard when I first came and started cutting at the beginning of the season. It was just bright, green, pretty. Get those leaves taken care of. But I'm gonna get this one knocked out, fellas. when leaf time come, like that you can see, maybe I could get the neighbor's yards over there for the leaf jobs, turn those leaf jobs into year-round custom service. Put all those weeds back here in the back. It is a dust bowl out here, man. It's something like it is. It's crazy. So, yeah, we looking up. We gotta clean it up. Guys, I want to know, what do you do, man? Try to get this stuff back green. I keep it green, but as you can see, everything over there is brown. Everything over there is yellowish brown. Yeah, real dry. Looks like a tumbleweed's gonna come out any second. So we ready to get out of here, man. Had a great time at the Equipment Expo. Hope to see you guys again next year. All the guys I seen, man. Had a great time meeting you guys. So, man, I'm about to get ready to get out of here, man. I'm going in the house. I'm about to make me some spaghetti, man, and some garlic bread. And I'm out of here, man. I'll holler at you the next one.
Start smoking.